Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply potassium permanganate. First, ensure you understand its powerful properties. This chemical is a strong oxidizing agent, useful for various applications like water purification and treating certain skin conditions. However, it requires careful handling due to its staining and corrosive nature. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective equipment before you begin any application process. Let's get started. Before handling potassium permanganate, always put on protective gloves, eye protection, and wear old clothing, as it can stain skin and fabric. For most applications, you'll need a very dilute solution, often between 0.01% and 0.1%. Carefully measure the powder and mix it with distilled water in a non-metallic container. Ensure the powder is fully dissolved to avoid concentrated spots. Proper dilution is key for safe and effective use. Once your solution is prepared, you can apply it using a clean cloth or a cotton ball, gently dabbing the affected area. For larger areas or baths, add the pre-diluted solution directly to the bathwater, ensuring even distribution. Avoid direct contact with the undiluted powder. The application time should generally be limited to 5 to 10 minutes to prevent excessive skin irritation or staining. Always follow specific medical advice for duration. After application, it's crucial to rinse the treated area thoroughly with clean water to remove any residual solution and prevent further staining. Be aware that a temporary brown discoloration of the skin is normal and will fade over time. Store any unused potassium permanganate powder in its original, airtight container in a cool, dry, and dark place, away from children and pets. Always dispose of waste solutions responsibly, following local guidelines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.